1, 2, 3, go. So today we're going to review these apps.
Hello, hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Kasturi and this is Madhurika.
Here we talk all about travel and speaking languages, learning different language. Today's video is all about learning languages.
So if you're new to the channel, you can check out our channel. We talk about languages, speaking languages, learning languages and also traveling.
We both are learning languages basically, and we have heard a lot about learning languages through the apps. Famous apps, yes, the famous ads, and we get a lot of ads on our profile for these apps where they mention you can learn in 3 months, 1 month, one hour as well.
Yes. Also, we came to know that most of the people are learning through these apps, which we kind of think is
not the method.
Yes.
Yeah. Personally, I've never used any app for learning any specific language. And today is gonna be that day where we are gonna review using these apps which are very famous.
You can see if it actually works, because what we know, it doesn't.
Yeah, because
But this
we are learning. Yeah, this judgment can be wrong because I am learning and she's learning with professional teachers
and from years.
Yeah, and from years, and it's going very well.
So we are not going to have any prejudgment before reviewing these apps. So it's something new for us. Even if I have used few of these apps, but she hasn't, so she's going to review it for the first time and it's going to be a first reaction.
So today we're going to review these apps. Number 1 is Duolingo, super famous. Next is Linguada, Babbel, and Memorize. These are the apps that I get the most recommendation of.
People are using, so we're going to see if it works for us.
How much we can actually learn. First app is Duolingo for sure.
I have used Duolingo just to check how it is and what it is, but she hasn't, and we are going to learn a new language and we are going to see if we can learn anything new from this app.
And how's the experience of it?
We are going to review Duolingo. She's going to learn Spanish for the first time through Duolingo. So let's see how it goes.
Yes, I hope I don't forget French that I get started.
Okay,
Spanish.
Why are you learning the language?
Spanish.
It is given here. You have
okay.
to choose.
Travel. Now choose a daily goal. So there is casual, regular, serious, intense. Okay, 10
so
minutes.
Let's go for 10. Learning Spanish for the first time, yes.
Why is it taking so long?
Which one of these? Okay, it has started.
Okay.
Which one of these is the man? This one. El hombre.
Are you learning?
Yeah, check. Because it's very easy. You can judge it by just La Nina.
Which one of them is woman? La mujer. La mujer.
Write this in English.
A woman. Because it's La Mujer.
Oh, smart. Write this in Spanish. The man.
El hombre.
Oh, it's El Hombre, not El Hombre.
Yes, because H is not pronounced in Spanish. But this I told you, not Duolingo.
Friend. I am a man. How will I know what is I and what is am and what is... Okay, let me guess. Guessing game. Wrong. What is... How to do the...
Yo means I in Spanish. Yo soy is I am.
Okay, I think I'm done with it. So far I just want to review.
Okay, you are 6 points away from your daily goal. So I think you have to kind of do it every day.
Why should I do
for
this?
10 minutes.
Okay.
Because these are the words you're going to learn.
From Duolingo. She has used it. I've never used it. And guys, firstly, why do I have to do the guessing game? Because I'm here to learn and I don't want to guess what is I and what is am. I just want to know. I mean, it's okay if it's a guessing game when I've already learned it. Like when I already know what is I am, and then when they give the option I have to choose, yes, it's fun. But before knowing it, it kind of I don't like waste of time. So this is
all what you have on Duolingo. You can probably click on any of these.
Good morning.
And I think the basic thing starts. It is just a recorded thing.
My first review for Duolingo, it goes very fast and I cannot pick up the words. That's the first thing. And second thing, I don't like the guessing game because I want to learn So if I already know and then I can choose, then it's good, but I don't want to choose.
It is just recorded, so you
Yeah.
cannot even hear it properly.
Yes.
You cannot pronounce it because you don't know what they're saying for the first time at
Yeah.
least. Because I kind of know a little bit of Spanish, I could guess it. But again, if you're learning a language, guessing is not the thing to do.
But if you have already learned it and you just want to refresh your memory,
If I don't want to like study, if I just want to do something for
which I already know about,
Ah.
then it's fun. Yeah, then it's good.
but
for
you cannot
quiz.
learn from this.
You actually cannot learn from this, so thumbs down, and I would highly not recommend it. The next app,
Let's use Babbel.
Babbel.
I hope I'm pronouncing this right.
Ba-
We both have not used it even once, and we kind of only got ads of these apps on our Insta.
Let's learn French on Babbel.
Yes,
Because I know French and she doesn't
I
know.
have no idea.
It will be her first time and I'm there to guide you.
Okay, this is what it looks like.
Speak the language. Like I like the whole graphic.
Speak the language. French.
Yeah, French.
Have you have not used this?
No, I've never used it.
Are you learning French? Why is this why all the time? I just enjoy learning languages. Your most recent experience with learning French? Never.
Okay, this has like 60 minutes per day, and
Yeah.
it also has a option of I'm not sure.
Wow, that's good.
How did you hear about Babbel? Friends? Because you promote this so much.
My name. I don't like giving information.
Password.
I'm
It's
not
also-
giving my email address.
It's also asking for email address.
You're almost there. I'm not going to check my confirmation mail. Okay, now they say that they're going to send the confirmation mail. Let's do it. Open the mail. Yeah.
So we
Okay.
couldn't log in from the laptop, so now we have downloaded the app. Let's start from the beginning. You can change to a higher level. Email. They have. Then I think there are different courses. Would you like to practice speaking?
Yes. Yes.
Bonjour.
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 Ça va?
Ça va?
Au revoir.
But how do you check if I'm saying it properly or not?
I'm there to check.
Shy. Oh.
Listen and choose the correct.
Bonjour Charles.
Bonjour Laure.
Wait, what do I have to do? Listen and choose the correct answer. Where
she
are the
meets up
options?
with-
Okay, these are the options.
Bonjour Laure. Bienvenue à Paris. Ça va?
So basically, I have to just see correct
Yeah.
what she's saying.
Yeah.
Are you checking my speaking skills or my hearing skills?
I like the
The
accent.
tone.
Yeah, I like.
Okay, I'm bored.
You already learned bonjour, ça va, comment ça va. But you only learned ça va. You don't know how to say. Okay,
So-
review time.
Basically, the login in process was a little irritating for me. I don't want to waste so much of time on doing this. Second thing, I don't like using phone apps. Third thing is that it's good if I just want to hear it, it's fine. If I want to just see how it's pronounced in French, maybe. But again, I'm not going to remember. Like, I don't know anything after bonjour and ça va. Nothing. Conclusion is that I will not use it for learning anything. I don't think it is worth paying at all, because if I'm paying so much, I might as well pay to a teacher and learn it from her with details and corrections, because this thing is like listening skills. It is just
No,
improving
it's
my...
attentive. How much attentive you
Yeah,
are.
I just keep it aside if I'm bored. That's what I just did.
App number 3 is I've already downloaded. That is
Linguado.
I've seen a lot of ads. This is how it is. Yeah.
This we have not used. I like the
Pink.
color. It's purple. I like purple.
I don't like it. It's too much.
But it's very dark. Again, you have to log in this. I liked in Duolingo that you don't have to log in.
To choose the profile details,
Gender.
female, date of birth, I'm not interested to give, but I
But you
am
have
supposed
to.
to give. Next,
India.
you have to give a country's name.
I don't know if it's with me because I don't like to give any personal information to any app. Not even my location.
Welcome to
Linguado
Linguado.
Nation. Oh, they want to know your location. See, this is what I don't want.
Okay, I don't know what is this app about. Oh, it's
I think Linguado is basically you meet people who are learning different languages, and if you're someone who's learning French and I'm someone who wants to learn French, we can kind of connect and talk.
You have to maintain a whole profile. Okay, there's no teacher, but you just learn on the basis of
communicating to each other.
No, you cannot learn. Next app we are using is Memrise. I have used it before. I was learning Japanese.
Yes.
Wait till the end. Till then, we'll tell you which is the best way to learn languages and to not go through process. But for me, as far as Memrise is concerned, I've used it. I've liked it.
Okay, no, don't tell me anything.
But it's her first time.
I want to learn.
German.
Yeah, let's try German. I don't want to create account.
Okay, let's not create the account because I guess I have my own account over
Okay,
here.
please log in.
Okay.
So we logged in Memrise.
And she's gonna start learning German. It is faster, but it is faster than the Babbel.
Yeah, it loaded fast.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I have to guess what he's saying. Hello. Wie geht's dir? Hello.
Okay, again.
Review time.
It is the same thing again. They are saying something, I have to repeat it. Nobody's checking if I'm saying it right. And my pronunciation, nothing. And then I have to just keep on guessing what it is and how it is, all of that. So it's basically guesswork.
Things that I know about this app. So I used this app because my French teacher, the words that I didn't know, used to put on this app, and then I used to memorize those words. So if you're already learning it with a teacher and then you don't know certain vocabulary, and then you put those vocabulary in this app, and the app actually makes you memorize that.
So now that we have used everything and we showed you, it's
So
time
we
for
showed you the
conclusion.
4 apps, and also I would like to talk about italki. We have a whole review about italki. We will link it here or here. Yeah. You watch the review. It's a good app for me. I've used it.
italki is very different from these apps.
Yes, because it's one-on-one. You talk to the professional teachers over there. Plus, there are a lot of other features. So, if you want to know the features, go and check out the video. Now, the conclusion of the whole our language learning process. What have you learned? First, she'll go, then I'll go.
First thing, what apps we used, they all kind of have the same things. You have to, again, as I told you, you have to guess, you have to listen, and you just have to listen. That's it. Basically, if I'm learning a new language and I want to learn, I really want to learn and speak, and even if I want to say hi, hello, how are you, all of this, I need somebody to tell me if I am right or wrong. These apps are not going to tell me if I'm right or wrong. It is just repeating and maybe repeating wrong things, and that is what I don't want. So it's just good if I'm just bored and someday I don't want to learn, I just want to like check it.
I feel these apps are good when I already know a language and I just want to go through and I don't have anything to do, and that will be the point I will go to the apps and actually see how much actually I know, because I feel it's more of a quiz than more of learning a language.
Yes, like if I know German and I kind of use Duolingo just to see how it works, and I took German in that just to see, and I kind of felt good that I know it. But again, if somebody is doing it for the first time, she's not going to feel good about it.
Yes, so if you're a beginner, we will highly not recommend you using the apps. It's not a good process. First of all, you're gonna lose for learning. First thing is, if you start using this app, you feel you're gonna lose your interest very, very soon.
Yes, because I got bored in 10 minutes, and if I get bored in learning a language in 10 minutes, I am not going to continue.
Yes, and language learning process, guys, it's not tedious process. It shouldn't be a tedious process.
Yes,
it's fun. It's interesting when the whole point of learning a language is communicating, and the time that you communicate with someone who is really there for you to teach you and develop a skill becomes fun.
If I'm learning and I'm talking to somebody, then it will be very interesting for me because I'm learning something new. And with the app thing, it is recorded. Like, how much are you going to listen to a recorded thing? That was the conclusion.
The point is, it's a quiz game. If you already know and you want to go back and just check, but you cannot learn further. I don't think you will. I don't think I can complete my advance in French with Duolingo. You cannot appear for international exams as well. So if you really want to
learn.
yes. So if you really want to learn any language in a fun, interesting and more interactive way where you can actually learn and actually experience more, you need to join in the courses, take the courses with the professional teachers.
And the best thing is that we have it. We have
Yes.
the courses for you.
So we have all the courses for you. Reach out to us on our Instagram, DM us or email us. Our email ID and all the links of the social media handles are in the description below. We give courses with professional teachers where you can learn a lot more, and it's gonna be more interesting, fun. I can bet on that actually.
So start learning now.
Yes, start learning and start learning in a very interesting way. Bye. See you guys.
And if you like the video, subscribe, share
Alright.
this, or from any
Share
of the
this
apps.
video for someone who's actually learning
From
these apps, and comment down below if you really feel what we feel about this app.
Yeah.
Let us know what is your opinion on this. We are very keen to hear it.
Okay,
Yes.
bye.